Hubert Sanders here. Let's take a look at gaps. So now, what is a gap? So gaps in futures and gaps in stocks are a little bit different. Usually when you're talking about gaps in futures, you're usually talking about an open and a close that opens at 9:30 and closes at 4:15. Now, when you're talking about stocks, you're just talking about a stock that gaps up the next day because they don't trade a whole heck of a lot after hours in most cases. So here's an earnings play on KORS, as you can see, and it has a gap up situation, and you leave it alone and you wait until it takes out either this high or then it comes down and revisits this low, and then you get long in that situation. Same exact situation here. You have a gap up situation. You either buy it at the new high or wait for the test of those most recent lows and then stay in it. So the market hates unfilled gaps, but if it's a strong trending market and it's a strong stock or equity, like in this case KORS is, then it's fine to mess with. Let's take a look at a few others. Now, this strategy will work on earnings, and it will also work on just news-related items, okay, for professional gaps. So if you look here at BBY, which is Best Buy, here you either have an earnings announcement or a news-related thing. That would be your first day. So when it takes out the low of that first day, you would short it there, and you would hold it for 1 to 5 days. All right. So you can see if you shorted it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would cover there. Now, take a look at another situation. You can see it's gapping up in this case, but you really don't take out that most recent high. You actually take out the low, and then it's going to go fill that gap right there, and it fills that. Now, in this case scenario, you have a gap down situation, and then it takes out the low. It's going to push lower. This situation, you have a gap up situation. You really don't get a new bar at this high. You get a no new low, but you eventually do take out this low, and then it chops back up, and then it gaps back down. So you can see the personality of the price action is very important when you're dealing with gaps. So if you've got a gap up situation, and then you have a new high being made in that direction, that's a good thing for an uptrend. If you have a gap up situation, and then it does not make a new high, but it actually takes out this low, then that's going to be a reversal to the downside. So keep that in the back of your mind. Add that to your toolbox. Good luck. Hope it helps. And I'll see you on the next video.